Hey guys, what's going on? Amoled here. So today is my time to show you the 3 phone I just bought yesterday with very cheap price. And so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, of course 3 of them still works, but these 2 have some problem, which is this one, Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. The first still works, everything still works, but for the side button need to press very hard. And the second thing problem, which is the just stuck on the Mi logo, while others work perfectly. And the condition is really nice, gold color. And the second one is Samsung Galaxy S4. Everything still works except the display Amoled, just a blank and just a dark, very dark green when you turn on. You just need to replace the whole LCD, while others still works, but the condition quite bad. But this repair is really easy. You just need to replace the whole one set of LCD and the new one set of housing, and that's it. The phone becomes like new. So when I try to charge and try to turn on, the sound, button, touch still works. Even the button volume still works. Only the display is blank and just a little dark green color appear when you turn on. And the last one is Samsung Galaxy Mini 1. Everything is working but no battery. So yesterday I've tried the Nokia battery and turned this phone on, and it works like a brand new. So you just need to buy a battery for this and can use as per normal. I bought this 3 phone about 20 ringgit only. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this 3 phone I bought yesterday in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.